We'll give a quick review on this carrying case. It's for hats. This travel case. I'm getting ready to go on a trip, and I'm looking for something to put my hats in. I'm tired of my hats getting messed up during travel. So it's a good looking container here. They also sent a case where you can keep your glasses, which is good because I lost my case recently, so it'll work out really good. Got a strap here if you want to tote it like that, but I'll just tote it with the handle here. But I'll just show you how it looks. I got a couple hats here. Just put it in. It'll hold up to 5 or 6 hats. Carry it like that. Made it real good. Don't worry about nothing smushing them. So that way you don't mess up your hats. I know how most guys are. Now I'm definitely like that where I don't want to mess my hats up. I have a lot of golf hats. Actually, I probably have about 200 hats, but I probably have about 10 I wear most of the time. But going on my trip, I always carry 4 or 5 with me at least. So I'll wear one and throw 4 or 5 in here, and that way I'll have them. They won't be messed up. So if you're looking for a good case, travel case, check this out. I highly recommend it. Works really good.